20 years ago, I saw this name in a bike magazine, Fat Boy, and today I'm riding that dream. This is the 2025 Fat Boy, and this is more than just a motorcycle. Hi guys, this is Nathan, and today I'm riding and reviewing my own 2025 Fat Boy 117. This is going to be a short real world review, what it actually feels like to live with this bike. Let's start with the look. The bike is pure American muscle. Low, wide, aggressive. And that stance you just can't ignore. I have added a few custom touches, chrome hand grips for that premium feel, and these old school freedom style pipes. They completely change the character of the bike. Talking about comfort, honestly, this seat is really good for long rides. I didn't feel much fatigue even after riding for a while, and yes, it looks heavy, especially with that massive 280 rear tire. But once you start riding, it actually feels very balanced. Low center of gravity really helps. It's surprisingly easy to handle. Quickly on the technical side, this comes with the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine that's around 1868cc. It produces around 165 Nm of torque, so you get a strong pull even at the lowest RPM. You also get ride modes, rain, sport, and road, so you can adjust depending on what you ride. And Harley's also been added, the new IMU-based electronics, which means better traction control and cornering ABS. Overall, solid build quality. You can feel that premium Harley finish everywhere. But the real experience starts when you ride it. That 117 engine, it's all about torque. Smooth, strong, effortless. In the city, it's manageable, but on the highway, this thing just cruises beautifully. Super stable, and the road presence, insane. Looks, it's absolutely stunning. Comfort, it's great for long rides. Road presence, people will definitely notice. A few cones, heat, can be noticeable in traffic, feels heavy at the beginning, and yeah, it's a premium price bike. For me, this isn't just a motorcycle, it's something I dreamed about as a kid, something I never forgot, and today riding this, it just feels different. If If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. More rides and reviews coming soon. See you in the next one.